The wooden leading edge has now been adjusted at the top of the fin, allowing now to fit correctly at the bottom of the fin.
They will be painted again, yeah.
Painted again, will they?
Well, because these will be painted inside and outside.
Yeah.
Well, the inside will be okay, but this backside will be repainted.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So you've got to get this pinned in, then you pin the other side.
We'll strip it all down, deburr it,
yeah,
and then we can use these holes again to go through onto the other skin.
Oh,
so we can't do two skins at once, you see.
No, no.
So this skin here has gone away for reforming, but
yeah.
it's panting.
Oh,
it wasn't rolled quite right, you know.
Yeah.
It wasn't the girl's fault who did it. It's just just the way.
It's gone.
It's just hit and miss, you know.
Yeah.
The same as on here. Jack's got the same problem here.
Yeah. Brian was talking about the rudder which Jack is constructing, panting of the skin. If you look at this picture, you can see the shadow, the light shadow at the bottom of the blue skin, how it is bellowing out, and if you can press that in and it'll pop out. That is what is called panting. This will have to be wheeled by Simone to get it flat. Sometimes they have to put a strengthener piece across. This will also stop it panting on the inside.
So it's gone back to Bournemouth and the girl's doing it.
Yeah.
She might have to come here to finish it off.
Finish it off, yeah.
So Marmite's just doing a top end on this last skin. Then we can start from Monday on the opposite skin and work our way to the very end again.
So it'll be the week after before you start riveting then, will it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we put in a bit, there'll all be, you could come from anywhere, you know.
Yeah. So the chap who's coming to help you do the leading edge, the wooden edge, he won't be here for a week or two yet then?
No, he's been in this morning to...
Oh, is he?
We used his to shave it a bit, to bring him the contour right, you know.
Is that covered over then, that wooden edge? Or?
Yeah, but the same as that one. It's like a how can I put it? It's like a felt that goes over it. It covers the rivets.
Most of it will be covered by metal. It's only just the thin strip down the centre, which is showing wood.
90% of it will be that wood, then it'll be just covered over with the felt stuff where it is here, you know. It's got all the screws underneath it. And
It's taking shape, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a job that
You can see why they took about 10 years to do it, can't you?
Oh yeah, we have to. Yeah, with a big hammer.
The amount of tension to each individual hole, rib, intercostal, spar is amazing, and the amount of times the skins have to be offered up to get the structure correct. No, they've had to drill them all themselves.
All those little holes drilled in Down the side. What's
Yeah,
it
to
doing?
drill. Oh, where the rivets go.
Oh,
Got something on your nose too. On your nose.
yeah, it'd be a bit of this after the Has it gone? Yeah.
And then put a scriber inside and scratch all the holes,
Yeah.
then drill them out on the desk to 2.4, then put them back on the thing and then drill them out to 3.2.
It's a tedious job, isn't it?
Is
Don't know
anybody
way
doing
to
it?
do it, yeah.
You can. They've got a really long drill, and he goes in from the one side and does it.
Oh, does it? Yeah.
But it's not really practical for the one I'm doing.
No, no. Well, we can see why it takes so long. It's a painstaking job, isn't it?
Yeah, well, that's what they pay us for.
Well, that's right, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, these are. It's just this one to finish, and then.
It's such a flexible structure until you get the skins on, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's where the weight. Keep the weight down. It's just the way it is, you know.
And yet then they go and put 3 big weights on it, don't they?
Yeah, but you can control that. They file them and so that they're correct. So it all balances out.
Yeah. To rivet the rudder and fin, approximately 8,000 rivets were used and round about 700 wood screws in the leading edge.
So do you want him to video you?
In a minute, yeah, I'll go and get myself out of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll replace it with the Lincoln. You can edit it out.
Bring that next week.
Yeah.
Sounds better, that man. We'll start.
So you can still sort of do the fittings on it and that while you're waiting for that to be sorted out. You can still do the work
Plenty of
around
other work.
it.
We've got to do all the top edge for the holes for the screws
Yeah.
into the wood yet.
So can you do it before it's been altered?
Not on this bit,
No.
on the rest of it.
You can,
we
yeah.
can, yeah.
Well, we've been away a week. We thought you'd be flying when we came. Hey, we saw on YouTube and I said, hey, look at this. All right.
And then this piece. Hopefully by then this piece will be back.
Yeah. It's these small jobs. I think the small takes so much time.
Yeah.